With some cases, there is a chance that the case might go to trial. And what if that happens to you? Let's find out. Welcome to Attorney 911, the podcast, with attorney Ralph Manginello. Let's get some answers to the most asked questions. We break down the legal issues and provide expert advice to help you navigate life's legal challenges. You might even call us your first responder to a legal emergency. Up next, real-world cases, valuable insights, and practical tips you can use today. It's time to get smart like a lawyer. So a couple of questions here for you, Ralph. Will my case go to trial, first of all, number one? And if so, are there fees associated with that? So I think we need some answers here.
Yeah, and we get that question all the time. It's a fairly simple answer in that in the personal injury world, car wreck world, work-related injury world, 98-point-something cases get resolved and settled before trial. So the simple answer to that question is in that world, in a personal injury type case, you're most likely, very, very not likely to have to go to trial. Now, some cases, that have to be tried are when an insurance company or defendant doesn't want to pay what the plaintiff's lawyer thinks the case is worth, and they're way far apart. They can't come to an agreement, or where liability is disputed. No, it was her fault. She entered the intersection on a red light. No, it was his fault. Those cases go to trial. And are there fees involved in that? Well, yeah, absolutely. So an attorney's not going to represent someone on a personal injury claim without having them sign a contract first, and that contract is going to be a contingency fee contract between 33 1/3% and 40% between the lawyer and the client, and the lawyer will only get paid once the client is paid also. So either through a settlement or a verdict. If the case goes to trial, you're looking for a verdict. Most lawyers that I've been doing this for over 26 or something years now. Lawyers are not going to go to trial unless they think they can win, and that goes for both sides. So, if you get to that point, you're going to have to pay your lawyer for working really hard, but that fee is going to be a contingency fee.
You just learned something new. Attorney 911, the podcast, with attorney Ralph Manginello. We hope you found today's conversation insightful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the show so you'll never miss an episode, and share it with family and friends who might benefit from the things we talk about. A new podcast launches every week. That means you get more legal tips, real-life cases, and expert advice. This is Attorney 911, the podcast.